Hi guys, Shopper Spirit Box Paranormal. Just giving you an update on the bunker in Dundee. It's in a really sad state of affairs from the last time we were here. All the benches have been broken, smashed. It just makes me sad. Been setting fires in here. The place is just totally trashed. Around the back bit where the original entrance to the factory used to be, the original frame still around it. It's now started to deteriorate. Take you around the back bit. The original escape hatch, one of them. These benches, look at this. That's my breath you're seeing, by the way. There's nothing paranormal. Not that I can feel it anyway. I'm not here for paranormal, I'm just here to see the general condition that the bunker's in. There is word that they're meant to be demolishing this, which I think is a shame. It's original history and it's been forgotten about, basically. That's the original back way, that's the hatchway that was coming through. So I just thought I'd give you guys a wee video just to see what condition it's in since the last time I was here. Let's say vandals have been in, demolished it, and the drain cover's now missing as well. It's just in a bad way. All the benches have sat there for all these years and people just come down and just smash them. But this is the reason why I don't like disclosing information to places we find, because I know that things like this are going to happen. Last time we were here it was nice and clean. We were actually sitting on these benches. I remember running Echovox up the back corner here. It's sad. The history has just been left to rot. Anyway guys, take care.